Welcome back. Let's practice a 5-element stretch sequence. This is a complete practice all on its own. It's great to do before a different set, maybe a different flow set or before some exercise. It tackles all the meridians, so it's really well-rounded. There's 2 variations of this one. The one we're doing in this video is a little bit gentler. There's another video that I'm going to put up that is the other variation, and that one has a little bit more strength building in the legs. But don't worry, this is the gentler one. All right, let's get to it. Let's start by bringing the feet a little bit closer together. And you can place the hands on the belly. Lift the crown of the head nice and tall. And take some nice, slow, deep breaths. Allowing the breath to be slow, steady, and nourishing. If you want to really down-regulate and help relax the nervous system, I encourage you to breathe in through the nose. And then start your exhale extra slow. Then finish it at a regular pace the rest of the way. So breathe in the nose, normal. Breathing out through the nose or mouth, extra slow. Then a regular pace. Let's do one more of those. Breathing in. Out extra slow. And out the rest of the way, regular pace. Nice. Now let's get to some stretching. So, you're going to bring your palms together. Go ahead and interlock your fingers, keeping your James Bond fingers out, your 4 fingers. And with a little bend in the knees, you go ahead and just lift the hands up above the head. Activate the glutes as you lean back a little bit. And then go ahead and bend the knees and sink down, bringing the hands behind the head. Then we stand up nice and tall, breathing in. And breathe out as we come down. This is called the arrow. So here, this part, this is for the metal element, for the lungs, the large intestine. Here, connecting to the earth, this is for the earth element, stomach and spleen. This one's a 2-for-1 because we've got the metal element and the earth element combined. So let's do one more of these, nice and tall, coming down. And come up, you can go ahead and unlock your hands and we'll go into a forward fold. This will be for the water element. So with a soft bend in the knees, relax your neck, jaw, shoulders. And you might notice you can go a little further as you breathe out. Now with the palms face up, go ahead and interlock your fingers, and then you can begin to roll up. Remember, from the water element, we flow into the wood element. So now your palms are going to rotate, so the palms are facing the sky. We're still actually on the water element. You're going to lift off the heels onto the toes, raise the bubbling springs. And go ahead and slowly sink the heels down. So now we'll go into the wood element. Let's go ahead and press the palms away from you as you lean over to your right. And the gaze is kind of down by the floor. And we breathe in. The liver meridian flows along both sides of the body. So here we're activating that meridian line for the wood element, liver and gallbladder. Now let's come up, relax the hands a little, and then press through the palms as you lean over to the left. Gaze is down towards the ground. You're doing great. Let's go to each side one more time. So come up, relax, especially the shoulders. Then press through the palms as your gaze is down towards the ground. Soft bend in those knees. All right, coming up. Soften the hands a little and commence Operation Stretch. Press through the palms. Okay, now let's come up. Now from the wood element, we'll go into fire. So you can unclasp the hands, press through the palms up at shoulder height. The heart meridian flows down to your pinky. Pericardium, which is associated with it, flows to your middle finger. Both of them meet at your palms. So by stretching here through the palms, we're activating the fire element meridians. Go ahead and rotate your fingers. Woo-hoo! What a stretch. Go ahead and rotate your fingertips down. Now this stretch isn't just great for the heart, pericardium, fire element. It's not just great for your muscles, but it's also wonderful for your tendons and ligaments. Now let's go ahead and follow your thumb as you rotate your hands back around, pointing up. And now we're going to point the fingertips forward. Woo doggy! And this variation is stretching the yin meridians. And then other 5-element stretch sequence video we'll practice stretching the yang. Okay, now you can bring the fingertips up, float the hands down. And this last part isn't really part of the 5-element stretch sequence, but I like to finish with it. And it helps to smooth things out with the triple burner. So we'll go ahead and just do 3 pulling down the heavens as we inhale up, exhale down. I thought I'd include this in case you're doing this as a complete practice, because it's nice to finish your practice with centering so that all the nice energy you cultivate can be stored in your Qi reservoir in the lower Dantian. Just feeling waves of relaxation float through the body. Hands together over the belly. Take a breath in and out. Nice work. Good job today. Thanks so much for taking the time to practice with me. And thank you for taking the time to invest in your own practice, in your well-being, in your Qigong education. Maybe you're a teacher and you can use this in one of your classes. Or maybe you're at a party and you want to show off to some of your friends. You can use it however you want. And as always, if you would like more practices like this, and you'd like to support this work and make sure that I can keep offering these practices, then please come and join us in the Live Class Club. We've got 3 online classes every week. You also get access to a rotating video library, so there's no problem if you ever miss a class. There's all kinds of other benefits too. So again, thank you so much. Good job today. And I'll see you again next time.